Hello, welcome to another ielts writing task 1 sample. In that sample, our topic is eating sweet foods produces acid in the mouth, which can cause tooth decay. High acid levels are measured by low pH values. Describe the information below and discuss the implications for dental health. So, in this time, be careful about the question. The questions generally different than that, but in that task the question is describe the information and implications for dental health. So you must analyze the information and emphasize health related information based on pH level. The provided line graph illustrates the acid level in the mouth, which is created by consuming sweet foods, specifically sugar and honey, and the possibility of tooth decay because of this acid level. As is presented in the line graph, the higher the acid level, the lower pH value, and a pH level less than 5.5 is detrimental to the tooth and causes the tooth decay. So 5.5 is here, and as you see that information given here. So writer used first paragraph to explain graph to give information, to give general information about the graph. And in the second paragraph, let's read it. The given paragraph shows that the initial pH level of our mouth is 7, which begins to fall after consuming sweet foods. When we eat sweet items like cane sugar, the pH level drops to 3.5 after 5 minutes and remain in danger level. So also explain what is danger level. Below pH level 5.5 for more than 30 minutes. Consuming fruit sugar drops the pH level nearly to 4 and remains at danger level for about 20 minutes. And finally, when we eat honey, the pH level falls below 5 and it remains under risk level for about 13 minutes. As the low pH level means higher acidity and causes tooth decay, cane sugar among the mentioned 3 foods items is the most harmful to our tooth. So let's emphasize distinguishing information of that writing. The provided line graph as is presented in the line graph, the higher the acid level, the lower the pH value, and pH level less than 5.5 is detrimental to the tooth and causes the tooth decay. Okay, the given graph shows that the initial pH level of our mouth is 7, which begins to fall after consuming sweet foods. When we eat sweet items like cane sugar, the pH level drops to 3.5 after 5 minutes and remain in danger level. And also explain what danger level means, as it is asked to do. For more than 30 minutes, consuming fruit sugar drops the pH level nearly to 4 and remains at danger level for about 20 minutes. And finally, when we eat honey, the pH level falls below 5 and it remains under the risk level for about 13 minutes. As the low pH level means higher acidity and causes tooth decay, cane sugar among the mentioned 3 foods items is the most harmful to our tooth. Among the mentioned 3 foods, we used among because there are more than 2 items, is the most powerful. So everyone knows most how to use that. So the provided line, we emphasized that one, the provided line graph. It is a good way to start. Yeah. as is presented in the line graph, the higher the acid level, the lower the pH value, and the pH level less than 5.5 is less than, okay. The given paragraph shows that the initial pH level of our mouth is 7, which begins to fall. So which begins to fall. So also danger level used and explained in parentheses. So using parentheses sometimes makes everything easier because you don't have to complicate your sentence. You can just add that for your writing. Okay. I hope this video is useful for you, and see you in the next IELTS related video.